Okay, it's a very photogenic spot. Got lots of people kind of everywhere. Here's another bell tower up that way as well. Maybe we'll walk between the two. And there's a ton of people right in there, which I do not want to go. But I might walk up into these other spots that overlook everything, which is probably what I'll do. Here we are in Xi'an, China. So Xi'an, China. Got a lot of people with the period pieces. I'm going to look for some of those people. There's two of them right over there. There's this. And we're going to take a walk over there. I can see some more people on that corner, so I think they're kind of photogenic for them to get photos up on that corner over there. Got lots of bats in here too. Try to capture those bats. You see all those? Those are just tons and tons and tons of bats everywhere flying around the temple. I guess because there's a lot of lighting on it, so there must be attracting a lot of mosquitoes as well. There's actually more cool stuff every direction. And I'm gonna look for some of the period pieces, you know, where people are dressed up in their so I think we're gonna find it up here to the left. Because this is a popular place to get some good photographs. There's one right over there. Okay. Actually, it's more quieter than I thought on this up here. If you look down that way, it looks crazy crowded. Maybe what I'll do is I'll just walk down that way a little bit and then over that bridge and come back. And I guess the best way to do it is just to bring the camera like that so that I'm on it. There we go. Because there's not like coming towards me, it's not really that interesting where I'm walking towards, but that's really pretty like that. Or like that. And I'm just gonna go across this bridge and we'll see if there's anything interesting in these shops over here. There we go. That is a good shot right there. There we go. Looks cool. So now you can also see that. There's a couple people with some period pieces up ahead of us, but I just missed them. Would have been better if I was walking along them, right? Xi'an, China. Okay. A little snapshot of what Xi'an, China looks like. There we go. So if we could get some nice, these two right there, they got their period pieces on. If I could capture them with the tower, it would look pretty cool. Like that. That looks pretty cool. If we could catch some more period pieces, it'd be great. So see if anybody else is walking by, but it's good. A lot of kids are watching to see what I'm doing, so. And adults. Not doing much, I'm just filming. Like everybody else. Okay. The only difference is I'm filming as a foreigner. Actually, I was just in Italy just yesterday, actually, to be honest. Strangely enough. And there was almost somebody with a camera. Here, almost everybody has a camera. Okay. So anyways, we're kind of at this temple right here. It looks really nice at nighttime. We're kind of watching all the crowds of people. I think I'm going to end it. Pretty cool though. A little element of Xi'an, China. Xi'an.